Hey guys, I'm Furby here, and we're back in Pokemon TCGO Online. And today, right now, we're going to open 3 of the XY Breakpoint booster packs. So let's jump in here and get them open. Alright, let's pop them open, see what we get. Pack 1. We have a Staryu, Chikorita, a Slowpoke, a Numel, Clefairy, Potion, a Stantler, Nuzleaf, and a reverse holo is a Dragalge, which is a rare, so that's not bad. And the rare is Eradicate. Is that holo? No, I don't think so. I'm guessing that would be Hyper Fang, maybe? Alright, so let's go open the next pack. And we have... actually, I have some new cards. We got Electabuzz, Seedot, Growlithe, Rattata, Numel, Tierno, Sizor. I don't like that. I like Scizor, but Sizor, Spirit Link, Heatmore. Finally, I have the Durant, but now I have a Heatmore. And we have a Gabite, which is a reverse holo uncommon. Coolio. And our rare is a Meowstic. Looks holo to me, maybe? Yeah, I think it's a holo. Yeah, it's a holo. Alright. And then finally our last pack gives us... we have a Gibble to go with the Gabite we had. Gibble? This is literally... okay, now I see it. Alright. Petilil, Petilil, Shinx, Numel, Glameow, Nuzleaf, Sizor, Spirit Link, Frogadier. Like, seriously, like... look, I guess that wouldn't be too worthless now that I look at it. Anyway, our reverse holo is... ooh, a Garchomp. Sweet. It's actually pretty good. And finally, the rare is a Clefable. Yay-ish. But, alright. That's it for these pack openings. I will catch you guys next week for 3 more. Till then, this has been On My Furby, and I'll see you later.